In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Sleeping Dogs. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down, right click on this Steam executable and select open link in new tab and select clicking here option. Select the download option and select allow. Okay, got it. Once this both download done, select this folder icon, right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and copy this exe and paste it in backup folder. And now drag and drop this mod exe inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Right click on mod menu and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Once you done this, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the insert key in your keyboard. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to vehicle options, spawn, choose the vehicle type you like to spawn and choose the vehicle you like to spawn. Once you spawn the vehicle, press the insert key to close this menu. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.